Hi everyone, I'm Susanna. Are you up for this new challenge? We're going to do hip cars. Yep, that's a car, but I'm not talking Porsche and I'm not talking Tesla. No, we are going to do controlled articular rotation of the hip. It can be done standing, but I'm going to show you this version on your mat, and you can do it on table position with your hands flat. I can't flex my wrist yet, so I'm going to use fists. You could also do this on your forearms. So remember, the key is the control. We're going to isolate the hip joint and don't get any of the other body parts involved. So don't flex your spine and don't lean over one side or the other. Try to stay really still and strong in your core. And if we do this, we're going to strengthen our hip joints. So let's head over to the mat. All right, come to your table position with your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Spine is going to remain straight here, right? So start with whichever leg you choose, and let's begin by bringing the knee in, lift it up from the mat, then out to the side like a doggy style, fire hydrant position, and then flexing the foot, come to a 90-degree angle with your knee, and then back down again, hovering over the mat. And then you reverse it. You go up, out to the side, and in. So that's one full rotation. Let's do it again. Out, up, and in. Up, out, and in. Out, up, and in. Up, out, and in. Let's do two more. Same side. Up, out, and in. Up, out, and in. Last time. Inhale it up, out, and in. Bring it up, out, and in. Excellent. Drop to your knees, and you can sit back on your heels. How did that go? Let's try the other side. I'll turn around. So find your table position. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed. Now, other leg, lift it up, flex your foot, out and in, out, up and in. Lift, out and in. Take it to the side, lift it up and in. If you find yourself leaning to one side, come back to center. Up, out, in, side, lift, in. Up, out, in, and then out, up, in. One more time this side. Go up, out, in, side, up, in. Awesome. And let that be. So that's our hip car challenge. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and go below in the comments and tell me what you really think about hip cars. I'll admit, I did not like hip cars when I first started. They're not easy. You cannot use all the other muscles to help. You've got to isolate the hip joint and stay stable. And believe me, if you do these regularly, you're going to benefit in ways you don't even realize. It's going to help you with squats. It's going to help you with low back pain. And above all, strengthen your hip and increase mobility. So hip cars rock. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe to my Forever Yoga YouTube channel. I've got lots of other osteoporosis safe videos and challenges on this channel. And that's it. Join the Facebook group if you're not already a member, the Strong Bones Challenge, and do your hip cars every day. Thanks a lot.